家 Zulfikar Ali Bhutto 的远见着实分不开。
Our experience in recent years has proved conclusively that the United Nations without the People's Republic of China is as incomplete as a triangle with two sides.
We need the support and friendship and understanding of the whole world, and particularly of countries which surround us, which are our neighbors. And if we have a common interest in peace, if we have a common interest against aggression and oppression and expansion, then I'm sure that with the cooperation and understanding of people of the world everywhere, and particularly of our neighbors, our task will become easier and lighter.
Being complementary to the heavy mechanical complex, which was also set up with Chinese assistance, the completion of the heavy foundry and forge is a landmark in Pakistan's march towards industrial self-reliance.
"前任巴基斯坦总理贝布托是一位为中巴友谊做出巨大贡献的中国人民熟悉的政治家。
This trip for us is a long-awaited reunion with our Chinese friends. It is like a sentimental homecoming after many years of absence. Discussions confirm that Pakistan and China share an enduring commitment to peace, stability in our region, in accordance with the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. Pakistan and China have similar or identical views on major global and regional issues.
巩固和发展中巴全天候战略合作伙伴关系是我们共同的战略选择，符合两国人民的根本利益，有利于促进本地区乃至世界的和平、稳定与发展。巴基斯坦总统宣称，他为两国人民的友谊而感到骄傲。中巴是全天候的战略伙伴，是休戚与共的好兄弟，让我们坚定信心，风雨同舟，携手开创中巴关系的美好未来。
I wanted to pay homage to our relationship, our friendly relationship, our brotherly relationship, and pay homage to the great foresight of the great leaders of both our nations, Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai, for their foresight to see the advantages of having brotherly relations between neighbors. It is an all-weather friendship. We say that it's deeper than the oceans and it's higher than the mountains of K2. And it has proven the test of time.
经受了时间和国际风云变幻的考验。
The China-Pakistan relationship has endured time and changes in global situations in order to become an example of how two socially different neighbors can work in peace and trust each other.
"同致力于实现不同文明和谐进步，维护世界多样性和发展模式多样化，为推动建设持久和平、共同繁荣的和谐世界而不懈努力。"
For the past 6 decades, several generations of leaders have nurtured the relations between Pakistan and China. The bilateral relationship between China and Pakistan is unique and multidimensional. It spans a vast spectrum of political, strategic, defense, economic, and areas.
为庆祝两国建交60周年，巴基斯坦国家电视台准备了一系列反映两国文化交流的纪录片。